Let's go see by the shade, Aya.
Huh?
Let's go sit by the shade.
Okay, let me come.
No. I don't really need it.